Hi everybody, we're here to mark a really special day at Finlay Motor Group. I'm joined here with Gerry O'Donnell, who marks his 45th year today with Finlay Motor Group. So Gerry, congratulations.
Thanks, Gary.
What an
Thank you very,
achievement.
very much.
It's been fantastic, and
Been.
just tell us a little bit about what today means in the last 45 years.
It's been, I had to say, 45 years went so quick. It doesn't even feel like 45 years. But yeah, look, it's great to be in such a good company, a family-run company. And I started back with your dad in 1980, so it is working, back in Newbridge, and then we moved from Newbridge to here, and just developing. Just watching the development of the company in the last 45 years has been unbelievable, But it's good to work, and it's a good atmosphere, and it's a nice place, and get on really well with everyone. And always had good staff, good friendly staff like this,
Fantastic.
It means a lot.
Well, Gerry, it means an awful lot to us. It's a very special day for us. You're part of the family, and I don't say that lightly. In 45 years, what an achievement! And we've been through thick and thin together, and yourself and my dad, and myself and Mike, and it's been fantastic. And it's a very, very proud day for Finlay Motor Group. So, Gerry, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Gary. Thanks, guys.